Hello good people, welcome back to the fashion corner. I'm dressed weird because I have a themed party to go to and this is what they're getting. So there's that. And because the party is sort of like not necessarily tropical but very summer barbecue kind of things, we are going to go into the cyber palette. Now thinking about it, we might actually use the Born to Run. Let's do that. Let's change the thumbnail, cut, destroy every evidence of that previous sentence happening. Hair out of my face. I cannot really complain about the themed party because I came up with it, so there's that. Anyway, we're gonna start strong with eye primer. I did my face cream. I went to gym this morning, so I put on face cream. And I'm gonna put the primer over the brow bone too, because we're gonna go for like a bold look, I guess. I guess that is what we're doing today. Primer bueno. My thinking is orange, gold. What could possibly go wrong? Question mark. So starting with still shot. Deep breaths, Linda, deep breaths. I don't really love orange. I think I look like an idiot in orange, but it fits the theme, so we're gonna be team players. How do makeup people do this? When do we go back to talking about fashion? Okay, that's a good start. And now I'm gonna grab a shade called Baja, this orange one, and hope for the best. So far it's somewhat manageable. I'm gonna go for the fluffy brush and I'm gonna use this shade called Breakaway to buff out the top layers and really go over my brow bone. Same thing, different eye. Now a little bit of eye cream over my under eyes. That was way too much eye cream. And now what I want to do for the lower lid is go into like a little bit of sparkle and also put the golden in here to build the like inner corner. And then I'm gonna go back into the still shot and really connect it together. That's the hope. That's the dream. Let's see about the execution. Smudge brush, and I will choose, there's a lot of like good golden sparkly shadows, and I think I want to go for something that is a bit more orangey, so I'm gonna try the Ignite, but hopefully it's like copper. Ooh, yes. Okay. That color is super pigmented. I feel like I made all sorts of mistakes doing this look, but that's fine. go into the shade Stranded, and I'll use that for the inner corner. I will probably need a clean smudge brush, making it lighter. Okay, good. Now slightly darken the outer V and then go build the brow so that we can put on eyeliner. So using this original brush, I'm gonna use a little bit of this shade Good As Gone, which is hopefully this cool brown, and we'll nod and we'll do what I want, which is, I don't know how to explain this, but I just want to darken the outer corner. So I'm gonna tap it lightly. And I'm going to use a different brush to blend it in so that it's not that dark, because if I keep going with the same brush, it will keep adding color. Okay, it's doing something. I'm going to use the buff brush and I'm going to use the Still Short again and going back to my upper lid and build the color on my brow bone. So into the crease first and slowly building it up. And I will go into a shade called Blaze and just build it up here in the inner part of the brow bone. I don't know how pigmented this is, so I'll start light and I'll see if I can build it out. It's actually very light. I was not expecting that. But I'm also not brave enough to go into the Ignite and build the golden from here all the way. I'm gonna stay conservative today. I mean, orange conservative. Banana breadstick for this under eye situation. Now, I'm always hesitant to add any concealer or things like this before I'm kind of done with the eyeshadows, because I'm afraid that the fallout will just mess it up for me. Eyeliner. I'm gonna add an eyeliner, so I'm gonna try to do the flick and then connect it nicely, and I'll try not to do too much of a layer. Like, I'll try to so that it's sort of thin, but I also am not excellent when it comes to eyeliner. So starting with following this golden bit that we've got going. Connect. This side is immediately better than this side, but we're figuring it out. So I'll stop tinkering with it and I'll do the other eye, and then because if I start fixing it, I'm gonna ruin it. Is this similar? I don't think so.
One eternity later.
We're going to have to live with this because I feel that I'm already trying to fix it way too much, and I don't want to end up with something that I really didn't want to end up with. Alright, so two things. I'm gonna use the nude eyeliner for my waterline and a mascara, and that is going to conclude the eyes. I am then going to go into a little bit of powder. mascara. Bottom lashes a little bit. I know people that do not like to put mascara on their bottom lashes, and I find that just really interesting. Because I feel like if you have a heavy top lash and then virtually non-existent bottom lash, it just doesn't go together, if that makes any sense. Anyway, last but not least, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Pink Extravaganza. How are we feeling about puffs? I think they are super fun to work with, fun to say, fun to have. I don't know. Great, that settles it. Now we just need to figure out what to do with lips, which, you know, I ask myself every day. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty's Pouticle in My Type. I think the color works very well with that outfit. Okay, that's me ready for my barbecue, and thank you for being here for day 22. I appreciate you tuning in and I appreciate you coming back. If this is your first time here, I'm really sorry about that, but also consider subscribing. You never know. One click and you make a person happy. I hope you had a fantastic Sunday, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 23. Bye!